Why need to fill Form TD1? Your workplace HR know your situation. They deduct right amount your weekly or bi-weekly paycheck. You pay more and deduction is okay to you will get back when you file the tax return 2023. Read page 2 before filling out this form. Your employer or payer will use this form to determine the amount of your tax deductions. Fill out this form based on the best estimate of your circumstances. If you do not fill out this form, your tax deductions will only include the basic personal amount, estimated by your employer or payer based on the income they pay you. Your personal information is your last name, your first name, your date of birth. Enter your employee number if you have one, otherwise put not applicable. Your address and postal code. For non-residents only. If are not residents in Canada, put your country of permanent residence. Otherwise put not applicable. Your social insurance numbers. Number 1. Basic personal amount. Every resident of Canada can enter a basic personal amount of $15,000. However, if your net income will be greater than $165,430, that means your income $0 to $165,430, and you enter $15,000. If your income 2023 more than $165,430, you have the option to calculate a partial claim. To do so, fill in the appropriate section of Form TD1WS, worksheet for the 2023 Personal Tax Credits Return, and enter the calculated amount here. That one I give the link for auto calculation. Just enter your income. You will get their amount to enter this box. Number 2. Canada Caregiver Amount for Infirm Children under age 18. Only one parent may claim $2,499 for each infirm child born in 2006 or later who lives with both parents throughout the year. If the child does not live with both parents throughout the year, the parent who has the right to claim the amount for an eligible dependent online May 8 also claim the Canada Caregiver Amount for the child. If have 2 children, multiples the amount 2 times $2,499 equals $4,998. Number 3. Age amount. If you will be 65 or older on December 31, 2023, and your net income for the year from all sources will be $42,335 or less, enter $8,396. Your net income for the year will be between $42,335 and up to $98,309. To calculate a partial amount, fill out the line 3 section of Form TD1WS. That one I give the link for auto calculation. Just enter your income. You will get their amount to enter this box. If you think your net income in 2023 $98,309 and up, you're not eligible to make a claim. Number 4. Pension income amount. Enter $2,000, or if you get less than $2,000, enter the amount. Number 5. Tuition. Fill in this section if you are a student at a university or college, or an educational institution certified by Employment and Social Development Canada, and you will pay more than $100 per institution in tuition fees. Enter the total tuition fees that you will pay if you are a full-time or part-time student. Number 6. Disability amount. If you will claim the disability amount on your income tax and benefit return by using Form T2201, Disability Tax Credit Certificate, enter $9,428. Number 7. Spouse or common law partner amount. Enter the difference between the amount on line 1, plus $2,499 if your spouse or common law partner is infirm, and your spouse's or common law partner's estimated net income for the year if both of the following conditions apply. You are supporting your spouse or common law partner who lives with you. Your spouse or common law partner's net income for the year will be less than the amount on line 1, plus $2,499 if your spouse or common law partner is infirm. In all cases, go to line 9 if your spouse or common law partner is infirm and has a net income for the year of $26,782 or less. Number 8. Amount for an eligible dependent. Number 9. Canada caregiver amount for eligible dependent or spouse or common law partner. Fill out this section if, at any time in the year, you support an infirm eligible dependent, aged 18 or older, or an infirm spouse or common law partner whose net income for the year will be $26,782 or less. To calculate the amount you may enter here, fill out the Line 9 section of Form TD1 WS. Canada caregiver amount for dependents age 18 or older, if, at any time in the year, you support an infirm dependent age 18 or older, other than the spouse or common law partner or eligible dependent you claimed an amount for on Line 9 or could have claimed an amount for if their net income were under $17,499, whose net income for the year will be $18,783 or less, enter $7,999. You may enter a partial amount if their net income for the year will be between $18,783 and $26,782. To calculate a partial amount, fill out the Line 10 section of Form TD1 WS. Number 11. Amounts transferred from your spouse or common law partner. Amounts transferred from a dependent. If your dependent will not use all of their disability amount on their income tax and benefit return, enter the unused amount. If your or your spouse's or common law partner's dependent child or grandchild will not use all of their tuition amount on their income tax and benefit return, enter the unused amount. Number 13. Total claim amount. Add lines 1 to 12. Your employer or payer will use this amount to determine the amount of your tax deductions. More than one employer or payer at the same time. If you have more than one employer or payer at the same time and you have already claimed personal tax credit amounts on another Form TD1 for 2023, you cannot claim them again. If your total income from all sources will be more than the personal tax credits you claimed on another Form TD1, check this box, enter 0 on line 13 and do not fill in lines 2 to 12. For non-resident only, tick the box that applies to you. Your signature.